Rainbows, a beautiful mystery of nature. Appearing after a rain shower, they paint the sky with vibrant colors. How do these mesmerizing arcs form? Let's unlock this secret. Rainbows are not objects, they are illusions. We see them when light interacts with water droplets in the air. Sunlight may seem white, but it's a mixture of many colors. Rainbows reveal these hidden colors. Imagine tiny raindrops suspended in the air after a rain shower. They hang there, delicate and shimmering, like nature's own little ornaments. When sunlight hits one of these raindrops, something magical happens. The sunlight, which is actually made up of many different colors, begins to interact with the water droplet. The light doesn't just pass straight through. Instead, it bends and changes direction. This bending occurs because light travels at different speeds in different mediums. This bending of light is called refraction. Refraction is a fascinating phenomenon that can be observed in many everyday situations. Think of light as a car changing lanes. Just as a car must adjust its speed and direction when moving from one lane to another, light must adjust when it moves from air into water. As light enters a raindrop, it slows down and changes direction, just like a car moving from a smooth highway onto a bumpy road. This change in speed causes the light to bend. This bending separates the white sunlight into its different color components. Each color bends at a slightly different angle, creating a beautiful spectrum of colors, much like a rainbow. Each color in sunlight has a different wavelength. This means that the light we see as white is actually made up of a spectrum of colors, each with its own unique properties. These colors range from red, which has the longest wavelength, to violet, which has the shortest. Red light has the longest wavelength, while violet has the shortest. This difference in wavelength is what causes the colors to behave differently when they pass through various mediums. When white light is refracted inside a raindrop, these different wavelengths bend at slightly different angles, like cars taking slightly different paths on a curved road. This bending of light is known as refraction, and it is the first step in the creation of a rainbow. This separation of colors is called dispersion. Dispersion occurs because different wavelengths of light bend by different amounts when they pass through a medium like water or glass. Now, the separated colors travel inside the raindrop and hit its inner surface. As they move, they continue to spread out, creating a beautiful spectrum of colors. Here, they are reflected back, like a ball bouncing off a wall. This reflection is crucial because it directs the light back out of the raindrop. This reflection sends the colors back towards our eyes, creating the rainbow. The combination of refraction, dispersion, and reflection results in the stunning array of colors we see in a rainbow, a natural masterpiece in the sky. We see a rainbow, a beautiful arc of colors stretching across the sky. But have you ever wondered why it appears so colorful? It's because our eyes perceive these reflected colors. When sunlight passes through raindrops, it bends and splits into its constituent colors. The arrangement of colors is always the same: red at the top and violet at the bottom. This sequence is due to the different wavelengths of each color. Red light bends the least and violet the most, creating a spectrum. This phenomenon is similar to how a prism works. Rainbows are often seen after rain because the air is filled with tiny water droplets that act like millions of small prisms. They are most visible when the sun is low in the sky, either in the early morning or late afternoon. This is because the angle of sunlight hitting the raindrops is just right for creating the rainbow effect. The light enters the droplet, reflects off the inside surface, and exits, bending as it goes. So, next time you see a rainbow, take a moment to appreciate the science behind it. Remember the amazing dance of light and water, a natural spectacle that has fascinated humans for centuries. This breathtaking display is a reminder of the beauty and complexity of our natural world.